So here we are with Tom Pavicic at ABE. So what have we got on the Quinto stand, Tom?
Okay, we'll go from left to right. We've got the AutoCue prompting monitor. That's the starter series. It goes up to the master series, so we're just showing prompting software from AutoCue. Moving further on, we've got the Nucom microlight camera transmitter, and the receiver is just up on the wall. So it will support SDI and HD SDI at various bit rates. We've got the JVC 700 camera, which is supporting the Nucom transmitter. Moving further along, we've got that's the output of the Nucom receiver. And further along, we've got the Omnibus ITX multi-channel transmission system based on IT hardware. The capture cards feed into standard HP servers, and it's a multi-channel system that's fully scalable for transmission, but also for production. It has onboard graphics, DVE, so it's expandable channel-in-a-box solution.
Okay, and that you've recently commissioned one set up for Sky Racing?
That's correct. Sky Racing now have 9 channels going to air. The last 2 channels are not on air yet, but they'll be for IP streaming of their sports content.
Okay, for the web and mobile and stuff. Okay,
correct.
Great.
Further along, we've just got some range of products, Snell & Wilcox Modular, the Mac 1 Motion Science compensated standards converter, and also Blackmagic mini converters from analog to SDI, SDI to analog, and also HDMI interfaces, as well as the Smart Video Hub 16 squared 1RU compact routing switcher, supporting both SDI and HD SDI.
Okay. And then to the right here, we've got
a range of EVITS products. What you're seeing on display is the VPA multi-view system, but also showing IntelliGain, which is program loudness control, and also IntelliTrack for lip sync, and various control panels for the routing switches, and also the various modular interfaces for fiber, for HD SDI up conversion, and also the distance control system. Just over here, we've got the Omnitech video analyzer. It's a waveform monitor vector scope that also has onboard video support, as well as closed caption decoding capability. We've got the JVC HD SDI vision switcher. It's a 12 input SDI, HD SDI, supporting all formats, onboard keys, DVE, and also multi-view.
Okay.
Further along, we have the Omnitech ICR, which is a ingest, QC and transcode engine. It is recognised as the highest quality system on the market, where you can ingest at the highest possible compression and repurpose content to any format.
And that's the AMBERFIN.
That's correct. That's the AMBERFIN ICR. And it also has, depending on what options you get, it has the onboard QC, so you can actually quality control both baseband and files prior to ingest and transcode and play out.
And then we have Stockholm on the
yes.
monitor there.
What you're seeing on the monitor there is it's just gone away for a moment. The clip will replay. But this is just showing you 2 conversions, one from another system, just using frame blending, and on the right hand side, when it appears again, It's conversion through the ICR standards conversion. So you can see on the left-hand side the conventional frame rate conversion. You get that judder.
Yeah, quite.
Through the ICR, it's very stable.
Yep.
Yes, it's a very powerful system with very high-end conversion. It's actually the ICR is based on the standards conversion is based on the Snell & Wilcox Alchemist PHC motion compensator technology. So although Alchemist is hardware and ICR is software, as you can see, you still get very good results. And further along, we again have the Evertz EQX routing switcher, which is within this 16RU frame. It's expandable to 288 squared, and it's a multi-format router. SDI, HD SDI, 3G, full redundancy, and above we've got just a few control panels which are available for EQX. So yeah, a very powerful routing switcher that's fully scalable. And further along we have Omnion Media Deck video server. What's on display here is a 6-channel system in a compact 2RU frame. You can have 6 channels in various configurations of ingest or playout, again supporting SDI and HD SDI formats. And we also have ProDrive, which is the GUI for the Omnion video server, so that enables you to set your playlists. It enables you to also configure your Omnion server. And the Media Deck is the I guess the entry-level server. There's above the Media Deck there's the Spectrum, which is a fully scalable server to however many channels you require, and there's also the Media Grid nearline storage, which is the large content server. So that's the Omnion offering. And last but not least, on the stand we have the JVC 46-inch 3D monitor. It's a passive filtering, employs a passive filtering system.
So with the polarised glasses? Polarised
glasses, yes. It's not the active shutter system. These glasses are low cost. It's basically passive, what you see at the cinemas, such as Avatar. So what we're showing here, which probably won't show up properly on the camera, it's actually 3D content from the NFL football in the United States, and it's proven to be a very popular 3D monitor on the market, popular with outside broadcast and 3D content creators. So although this isn't all our products, it's a good range, a broad spectrum of the products we do sell, and yeah, so that's Quinto at ABE. Thank you very much.